Hi Rowanfield, welcome to this week's Dazzle Assembly. Although we can't see you, it's lovely to know that you are all watching. We're going to start assembly thinking about and taking a moment to celebrate the life of a really wonderful man who was called Sir Captain Tom Moore. You might be able to see that, you might know, might not. And he sadly died this week, but he'll be remembered for many reasons. And Miss Tyler is going to talk about why Sir Captain Tom Moore is so famous.
So in April 2020, you probably remember that Sir Captain Tom Moore raised some money for the NHS by walking laps of his garden, and he did over 100 laps, and he set out originally to raise £1,000, but by the end of it he raised over £33 million for the NHS, which is absolutely amazing.
It's incredible, isn't it? He's had a #1 record.
Yes, he's just wonderful.
He's done lots of different things, so it's very sad that last week, sadly, he passed away.
And this is a nice little quote that he said. It says, "We will get through it in the end, but it might take time. At the end of the day, we shall all be okay again. The sun will shine on you again and the clouds will go away."
Oh, what a wonderfully positive quote, isn't it?
Lovely.
Anyway, so we're going to move on to our Dazzle Assembly. This morning, we're going to start with Year 3.
Yes, so in Year 3, the Duty Award this week goes to Alia, and she's been fulfilling her duty over the last few weeks. She's attended every single live session, handed in every piece of work, she's written a fantastic song.
Wow.
And she's even created her own flag and currency during the Knowledge Activator Week. She's put in so much effort. Keep up the good work.
Amazing, well done you.
Yes, and the Dream Award in Year 3 goes to Mia Allen, and she has been trying hard with all of her work. Even the things that she might find tricky at home, she's been doing really well. It says here that she's been brilliant having a go and creating some amazing pieces of work. She's shown amazing determination, and she's been completing both her individual challenges and the work set for English, maths and reading. Everyone is very proud of her.
And so they should be. Year 4, the Duty Award goes to Phoebe in Class 14, and she has really impressed us with all her fantastic attitude towards her learning. She shows a real enthusiasm in the arithmetic quiz on Teams, and she's becoming more confident about sharing her answers and talking about how she got to them. Keep up the hard work, Phoebe. Excellent. And the Dream Award in Year 4 goes to Ellie Davis in Class 15. And it says Ellie has been coming to a lot more feedback sessions and asking for help when she needs it. She wrote a fantastic warning story this week.
Oh, yes.
And used all of the skills that we have been learning over the past few days. Superb, Ellie.
Oh, well done. Okay, Year 5 now. So the Duty Award in Year 5 goes to Poppy Murphy for amazing drive during online lessons. When she is unsure, she joins the drop-in sessions and asks questions. She participates in virtual break times and always completes work to the best of her ability. Amazing. And then the Dream Award this week in Year 5 goes to Teddy Blue Finch. And Teddy, Miss Hickman says, has been producing some brilliant work. She's also proud of him for attending the tutoring sessions. He makes great contributions, completes all of his homework between sessions, and is so polite and lovely. Well done, Teddy.
Fantastic. Year 6, the Duty Award goes to Jamie Finch. And it says, Jamie Finch is an asset to Miss Cope's reading tuition and always tries his best on Teams. He does all of the work on time, every day. Amazing. The Dream Award, it says, we would like to give the Dream Award this week to Layla O'Connor. This young lady could not work any harder. She does not always find the learning easy, and I'm sure there are days when she probably doesn't feel like doing it at all.
Oh, I know how she feels.
Oh, absolutely. However, she does not let this stop her and always produce work to the best of her ability. She is a true superstar and a role model to her peers. Isn't that wonderful?
Well done, Layla. Fantastic. Right, we've also got some wow posts that your parents have been putting onto our Facebook page. And I missed this one last week. but I'm going to double celebrate this person this week. So it's for Evie Oates in class 21, and her mum has nominated her for being so incredibly kind, considerate and caring. She reminds her mum that there is always positivity even when times are hard. Oh, lovely.
That is lovely. And there's another one here for Grace Jones in class 21. Mum wants to celebrate Grace for being so positive even when there are bumps in the road. She's reached her exercise goal every day this week. Oh, well done, Grace, because I haven't. And started a couch to 5K this week too. Go, Grace.
Oh, brilliant. Oh, you'll like this one, Mrs. Riddell. Laura Swale in year 5. She did a Kung Fu tip test and passed with distinction. Do not mess with Laura.
I won't mess with Laura. Faye Gaffney in year 5. She kicked off Health Week by making her family a scrummy veggie packed pasta bake.
Oh,
My word, there's a pa in there. It looked delicious.
Oh, well done, Faye. And Isla Whitfield Seed in class 13, her mum says that she's been working really hard and also helping around the house, washing up and tidying her room. Wow, well done, Isla, that's amazing.
Brilliant. Sophie Watts in class 14. She's been working really hard at her maths and really enjoying it. Every day she's getting better. Keep up the good work, Sophie.
Oh, Macy in class 13 has been an absolute star for the past few weeks. She always puts in 100% effort and even helps her little brother with some of his work if he gets stuck too.
Oh, how lovely. Amelia Rose Mason in class 17. She has been incredible throughout January, getting on with her work even when she's found things difficult. She's been helping her mum keep an active 1-year-old entertained too. Now that's hard work. She is amazing.
Oh, and last but by no means least, this young lady in year 3, Mary Bolton in class 11, her mum has written an extensive log for us and she says she's a superstar. Mum says she's kind, absolutely hilarious, which we all agree, doing well at school, and it is a joy to be around. We are all very proud of you, Mary. Well done.
Well done, Rowefield. You might not be in the building, all of you, but we are still very, very proud of you and here if you need us. See you soon. Bye.